Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Sign into Microsoft 365 and open PowerPoint with the same account. Use an account with Copilot access enabled by your organization or subscription. Enable Copilot in PowerPoint settings if it is not already active. If needed, install the latest Office updates and restart the app. Decide presentation length, for example 10 slides, before you ask Copilot to start. Prepare a one-paragraph brief about your audience, tone, and key points. Keep that brief to 100 words or less for best results. Open the Copilot pane and paste your brief in the prompt box. Use clear instructions such as audience, purpose, and desired slide count. Ask Copilot to create 10 slides with titles, bullet points, and speaker notes. Specify slide format like 16:9 aspect ratio and a color palette. Wait while Copilot drafts content and populates slide text and layout. Review each slide and adjust any factual details or phrasing you prefer. Keep revision requests specific. For example, change tone to conversational or reduce text by half. Use Copilot to adjust design elements like fonts, color palette, and images. Ask Copilot to replace stock images with specific illustrations or 3.5-inch placeholders. Use precise instructions such as increase heading size by 2 points or set body font to 18 points. Ask for speaker notes condensed to 30 seconds per slide when needed. Run PowerPoint Presenter Coach to rehearse pacing and get feedback on filler words. Export the final file to PPTX or PDF and save a backup copy to OneDrive or local drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.